Hello, you beautiful souls. Welcome to the Trading Truth channel. And in this video, I'll be giving update of 15th January 2026. Okay. So if you see, the analysis that we made on 15 minutes was, that the market is gonna, retrace back and then go up. Well, it didn't went this much further, but what I said that there is gonna be one like divergence because divergence actually shows the stop of the trend, if you remember, right? Divergence shows the stop of the trend. So, the trend is stopped there, right? And that's where, this reversal happened. Okay. And then when the market went to this, low level, made new low, but the price didn't made new low from this point. So market went up, then again it made new low. So this is what we call positive reversal. Okay. It's making higher low, price is making higher low, while the RSI is making lower low, you see. Um, yeah, let me just draw it. Okay. Um, yeah, this is really amazing tool, guys. I mean, we call it like Cardwell RSI, but we know that this is the case. Like, when you look RSI chart, like enough of the time, you will also come up with these results, these statistics. Okay. It's not that like, okay, some people created this or that. Sorry, guys. Burping a lot. Anyway, it's not like, some people uh, just like invented this strategy. Okay, once you look enough of the time, the statistics will show up automatically. Okay, so that's the logic there, right? And you can see, market and this what happened there was, this resistance just hits there. Okay, and that's where this reversal, I mean, the divergence happened. So market came to this point, and then from there there's another distribution structure formed, and just went up. So from there, this trend line, you see, LPSY was making, you can argue that okay, there's LPS as well, but you have to see the RSI chart as well, like what's going on there. You see, uh, if you notice, here RSI was just coming down. Okay, and here there wasn't any support with this trend line. Okay, we are looking a support from the trend line in RSI as well. Okay, so this short trade are valid, and then on the long trade, if you see, it made new low. Okay, and let me actually add the um, highest high and lowest low for this one as well. Okay, so you see, made new low there. If you notice here, okay, price made new low, but RSI didn't make new low. So this is a divergence right here on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so market is going up, and I think it's gonna go up further. Okay, and if you see on like 5 minutes time frame, you can definitely see it that this LPS backing up action was happening, and you see on this trend line. So if you want to be safe, wait for the market to just break above like this. Okay, and when pullback happens, then you just enter the trade there for profit target upside. Okay, so that's the trade logic for Bitcoin. Okay, we can actually look higher time frame perspective. What's going on? We can see that our prediction was correct. We did broke out about this one, and market is just gonna continue to the upside. Hitting first 103, and then after that it's gonna hit 112. Okay, so because that's the range of it, you know. Yeah, automatic rally for the accumulation. And if you come here, you can see the distribution as well. Yeah, distribution is well, it is in the midpoint. I think that's why, like, it's reacting like this, and RSI is approaching to the highest point. So yeah, there is gonna be one like when it breaks above this midpoint, it's just gonna skyrocket to the upside. So that's my analysis for Bitcoin. We can go to 4 hour and look into it as well. See, it's holding on this trend line, and this is what the analysis that we did. As soon as we broke about this one, we're gonna go up. Otherwise, the pullback might happen, and then backing up action is gonna happen there. So yeah, guys, I think we are looking for backing up action in the Bitcoin as well. So yeah, it's gonna be amazing. We can look into XAU. Yeah, it went to 638. Okay, it is eventually gonna go up, because see, it's just accumulating. This is what it's showing. Like a lot of accumulation is happening, and if you see RSI is just this trend line got hit, this midpoint trend line got hit, so it's gonna, when it breaks above, it's gonna be really good rally. Okay, so yeah, watch, keep an eye for that. You can see here when this trend line hit, market went up. Um, yeah. So I mean, it didn't go to 650. You can say our prediction was wrong, but this new high, you see, and this new, its RSI is making new, I mean, different made new high. So that's basically your bearish divergence, and once you identify that, uh, that's a really good indication of stopping of the trend. And like, yeah, I should implement RSI divergence, man. Like, yeah, it's a very important indication, divergence. I'll just add on my note. All right. So yeah, see the resistance got hit here, so it's coming down, and it might make a test of spring. No, well, this was a spring, and see, and pull back, test of spring, then another test of spring, and then like after that, something. Okay. So yeah, it's following the pattern, guys. That's very important. Okay, it's following the Wyckoff pattern, right? See, like just like when the RSI, like we are waiting for the candle to close. The candle closes. This is your spring. Okay, yeah. See, this is also like spring formation is happening here. When the candle closes above this range, you should take a long trade to the upside. Okay, yeah, it's gonna increase a lot if this spring formation is good one, and I think it's gonna be good one because see, RSI has already been to very lowest point. So yeah, what else? Let me know in the comment, guys. Like what coin pair or market you want me to analyze. Um, yeah, Dogecoin, we had like backing up action. Then from here, it hit first target, then second target. And here, if you see, this was the divergence formation. You see, yeah, this was the divergence formation, right? And from there, you see, it was making lower, lower low, lower high, right? You see, midpoint, and then boom, coming down when this trend line broke, then it's down here. Okay, see, take profit one, eight. So it might take support there, depending like I need to add the trend line. Let me add the trend line here that we can see clearly what's going on there. Okay. All right. See LPS packing up action coming down. Boom. Then it comes. So see this trend line is gonna hit here. This so I am actually like 80 to 85% confident it's gonna go up. Okay. Dogecoin as well. So yeah. The higher time frame. It's very fast to like analyze the chart with this, man. Like I'm telling you, like like most of the analysis that goes, people analyze, it's like you have to draw a line, you have to like understand the chart for that particular market, right, or coin. Here you can just like flip to any other chart, like, and just the analysis has been done for you automatically. You see backing up action is going up, right? And you can see like this was the like another divergence, okay? You see another divergence formation was happening. So, and this divergence is happening in the backing up action. So that's very, very important information, guys. All right. You should keep that in mind. And if you have seen, uh, if you have seen the courses that I uploaded, I will be adding um, the Wyckoff one there. Hey guys, welcome to Ajay Trades YouTube channel. So here, and then to see here, you can learn more about the course that I uploaded. This course, see, I have put two section of the Udemy course for free here. Okay, this course I was going to release on Udemy, so you have very good opportunity to learn from it. Okay, the thing that you're gonna get from this is a trial of the indicator. But if you buy the Udemy course, you'll get a 1 year subscription. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, and guys, see, you should understand one thing about this system. Okay, um, this system that I've built. Okay, it took me like first I had to write the code in Python. Okay, like yeah, I was doing research on it. Okay, and then like then what happened was um, I wanted to like share it with the client, like with the client, and I couldn't like show them very easy, like then like I decided let's build it on TradingView. Like it's really, I mean, you can zoom in, you can see multiple time frame, you can do a lot of things with TradingView which you can't do on any other chart that I know of. You know, so yeah, it's very advantageous if you want an edge. This is your system. This is the YouTube channel for finding your edge. Okay, and if you don't believe me, go through, get a 30-day trial for the indicator, test it for yourself, just play, replay. Okay, this is all I want to do. Want you to do. Okay, just hit here. Okay, and you can just like let it run and learn what's going on. Okay, just see what's going on, and you will come to notice that like, man, this thing really works. Like so yeah, guys. I mean, this is what I wanted to build at the end of the day. And I did it. So if you are really want an edge in the market, I promise you this is the system. Okay. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see in the future. Do you want me to build some like basic course uh, for the Wyckoff and RSI and like whatever I'm using here? And so yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.